Hi, I'm Jaden. I'm a fourth-year mechanical engineer, and I'm the lead for the Linkages team here at LEAP. So our group is the group that links all the other parts of the exoskeleton together. So while we have teams focus on the gearbox and getting motion from the hip and knee, our team is what links mechanically the hip gearbox to the knee gearbox and the knee gearbox to the foot. And then additionally, we're in charge of connecting the actual legs to the exoskeleton through soft straps. So our project is really important, as without us, the exoskeleton wouldn't effectively come together. And then we're also working hard to make it adjustable so that we can fit any user. So if next year we have to switch to a different person, we can easily just adjust the linkages. Or if other people make things too big or too small, everything should be fully adjustable. And then it's also important to keep the user comfortable with their straps and make sure they're not experiencing any stress or pain on their legs themselves. So here's an example of the linkage design from last year. You can see it's a little clunky, a little heavy. The shoe wouldn't be super easy to fit any foot and would be a little hard to get into. And then also all of the stress from the whole exoskeleton and the user itself is kind of just put on 4 small bolts right here that have to squeeze really, really tight in order to get enough tension to actually hold them up. So this year we're working on a little bit more of an aesthetically pleasing design, a lighter design, and then also making sure that all the stress is being transmitted mechanically. So you can see here on the computer, this is kind of what we're playing with. So we're using hexagonal stock because it just looks a little cooler and shaves a little bit of weight off. And then we're machining teeth into the linkages so that they will mechanically click together, and then all the stress will be pushed through. So this year we're focusing a lot on doing really good work in the machine shop with collaborative manufacturing. We're passing parts around and getting lots of people different experiences with welding, with milling, and 3D printing and some other manufacturing processes. And then we're going to be welding to the other linkages, so just the middle will be adjustable. And then we're also working really hard to go through the entire engineering process through planning and stress analysis. We did some finite element analysis on SolidWorks here, and just making sure that we know the design is going to work all the way through, and doing checks periodically to make sure that we are where we want to be. So it's been really, really good to be a lead for LEAP this year. It's been really awesome to see my group start as a group of strangers and then really grow to be friends. And we've all just been learning from each other so much, learning by doing, getting real hours in the machine shop. And then personally, my communication skills have really, really improved. I've learned how to work on a team and just how to keep track of a lot of moving parts. So I highly recommend you join LEAP this year if you want to get some real manufacturing done on a project that helps people that you can be passionate about, and also make some good friends in the process. So come join Linkages this year! Woo!